final speaker of today is Maryam Sadat Husseini, originally from Iran, and she belongs to Tokyo University. The title of her presentation is Breaking the Wall of Reliability in Electronic Devices. Please.
Every and each electronic device has a heart, a chip, a vital part. A chip is made of tiny electrical components called interconnect structure. Over time, the number of interconnect structures in the chip increasing, and they are under pressure to get smaller and smaller. And because of this, electronic devices continue to get smarter and more reliable. But now there is a big question, and where is the next step? About the interconnect structure, scaling down around 20 million times, we can see this structure with several levels of metal in the substrate in nanometer scale. Conventional technology use copper and tungsten because of the low resistivity, low bulk resistivity as the main metal, sandwiched in the trench between two barrier layers. But for the next, it cannot be used because of the increase of resistivity by 50% at a smaller dimension. And the poor barrier property of this bilayer, it means the diffusion of the metal into substrate and then degradation of the electronic device, and poor coverage of this structure, this trench structure, by physical method. So it means that all of these make a strong wall toward the electronic device maker. I'm proud to say that our research group in Tokyo University and Lam Company could induce a crack in this wall. This crack can grow and break this wall by new material as cobalt, new process, ALD, atomic process, and new design as monolayer structure. The real advantage of the low resistivity of cobalt at a smaller dimension, and the good barrier property of this monolayer, and the great coverage of the trench structure by atomic process. I believe this breakthrough invention allows us to create interconnect structures that are smaller, faster, cheaper, and use less power than ever before, enabling a new generation of electronic technology in every category, from the fastest supercomputer to the smallest handheld devices. Thank you.